Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to CrossBlog XTV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Another big don't happen. No. Sure, you guys remember sometimes, maybe like 2 weeks ago, we heard that Lizzy Anjorin and Iyabo Ojo that they've settled their conflict, that there's no more fights. We all know that Lizzy is always dragging Iyabo Ojo online, calling her Shekpeteri or whatever. And we also know that when Lizzy went to Ekodumota, what happened at Ekodumota, she mentioned that it was Iyabo Ojo that set her up. Now, begin don't happen. No. This matter no dey end soon. No. Make na carry na popcorn sit down because na go dey see film back to back. Now Iyabo Ojo has taken Lizzy to court, and now the case has been adjourned to the 10th of April 2024. That whether Lizzy likes it or not, Lizzy likes it or not, she's going to come and serve. She's going to come. She's going to be questioned. So, and Iyabo also said that she should continue doing that video because that video is more evidence for her. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. What do you think? Please watch what she has. Just hear from Iyabo Ojo and her lawyer. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Yeah, we were in court today and it has been adjourned to the 10th of April for proof of service, and we'll move from there. We are hopeful that we get justice in this matter and a way to stop cyberbullying in the country and outside the country. Thank you so very much.
So, Madam Alice, what is your reaction about this?
I'm really very happy because, finally we've started, and hopefully, like my lawyer has said, that we're going to get justice. Hopefully by the 10th of April, I hope she comes with her bag of evidence, so that every claim that she has claimed, she can come and explain herself and prove that I am who she says I am. But until then, we hope and wait. So she keep doing her videos because I need more evidence. Anyways, thank you. All right.
Thank you very much.